Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of that nagging back pain from sitting all day? Or maybe you're looking for a simple, effective way to improve your posture and get a flatter tummy without ever stepping foot in a gym. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share 6 incredible Japanese yoga-inspired movements that you can do right at home using just a towel. These exercises are amazing for aligning your spine, strengthening your core, and helping you feel longer, leaner, and more energized. Ready to transform your body and say goodbye to stiffness. Let's get started. First up, we have the pelvic reset. This one is a game changer for lower back pain. Lie down on your mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Now, take your towel and roll it up into a tight cylinder, about 3 to 4 inches thick. Place this rolled up towel right under your lower back, in that natural curve. Make sure it feels supportive, not uncomfortable. Now, gently rock your pelvis back and forth. Think about pressing your lower back into the towel and then arching it away. It's a very small, subtle movement. Do this for about a minute. You're waking up those deep core muscles and helping your pelvis find its neutral, happy position. This simple move can provide instant relief after a long day of sitting. Next, let's move on to the shoulder blade squeeze. This is fantastic for correcting rounded shoulders and improving your posture. For this, you'll stay on your back, but you're going to move the rolled towel up a bit, so it's positioned horizontally right under your shoulder blades. Your arms can be out to your sides. Now, just relax and let gravity do the work. You should feel a gentle opening across your chest. Breathe deeply into your chest, and with each exhale, feel your shoulders melting down towards the floor. Stay here for about a minute. This passively stretches the tight chest muscles that pull our shoulders forward. It feels so good and is incredibly effective for creating that open, confident posture. Movement number 3 is the thoracic spine mobilizer. This one targets the middle part of your back, which often gets stiff and locked up. Keeping the towel under your shoulder blades, bring your hands behind your head to support your neck. Now, slowly and gently, perform a small crunch, lifting your head and shoulders off the floor. Then, slowly lower back down, trying to arch your upper back over the towel. Think of it like you're trying to wrap your spine around the towel. Repeat this movement slowly about 10 times. We're not aiming for a big AB workout here. The goal is to encourage movement and flexibility in that thoracic spine. This can really help with upper back stiffness and improve your overall spinal health. All right, moving on to our 4th exercise, the towel pull. This one is all about activating the muscles in your upper back that support good posture. You can do this one either sitting or standing. Hold your towel horizontally with both hands, about shoulder width. But raise your arms straight out in front of you. Now, keeping your arms straight, try to pull the towel apart as if you're trying to rip it. You should feel the muscles between your shoulder blades engage and fire up. Hold that tension for about 30 seconds. Rest, and then repeat 3 times. This simple move strengthens your rhomboids and trapezius muscles, which are crucial for pulling your shoulders back and down, preventing that slouchy look. Number 5 is the core breathing exercise. This is key for developing a flat tummy and a strong, stable core. Lie on your back again, knees bent, but this time, you can remove the towel from under you. Place your hands on your lower abdomen. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, I want you to imagine you're zipping up a tight pair of pants. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. You should feel the deep abdominal muscles contract under your fingertips. It's not about sucking in your stomach. It's an active engagement of your transverse abdomen. Hold this contraction for a few seconds, then release. Repeat this for about 10 to 15 breaths. This deep core activation is the foundation for all movement and is more effective for a flat stomach than endless crunches. Finally, we have our last movement, the full body stretch, or as I like to call it, the good morning stretch. Stay lying on your back. Hold a towel with both hands, arms extended straight above your head. At the same time, point your toes and try to reach the towel and your feet as far away from each other as possible. Imagine you're being gently stretched from both ends. Hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. This creates a wonderful feeling of length throughout your entire body, decompressing your spine and releasing tension from head to toe. It's the perfect way to finish our routine, leaving you feeling taller and more open. And there you have it. 6 simple yet powerful Japanese-inspired movements to improve your posture, relieve back pain, and strengthen your core, all from the comfort of your home. The key is consistency. Try to incorporate this routine into your day, maybe first thing in the morning or before you go to bed. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Remember, it's about making small, sustainable changes that lead to big results. Your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to move and feel your best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.